the world when we hold people without charge for more than 10 years and say they could be held indefinitely. I think that's frightening and endangers U.S. officials overseas, endangers U.S. soldiers overseas. And I think it's something that we as journalists must cover.
Page 218 of Amy Goodman's most recent book, The Silenced Majority. President Obama spoke at the opening of the MLK Memorial here in Washington, D.C. Amy Goodman writes, "What Obama left unsaid is that King, were he alive, would most likely be protesting Obama administration policies." We have an hour and a half left with our guest this month on In Depth, Amy Goodman. Our producer, Tanya Davis, often sends the authors that we have on the program a series of questions. And she sent Amy a series of questions as well. Amy Goodman provided answers, and we want to show those to you now.